enterprise with IATF 16949 certified. Make us safer driving is our mission. We are specialized in developing, designing, manufacturing, and marketing of vision products and smart driving assistance product for various vehicles. We can quickly respond to customers' OEM, ODM requirements. Germid focus on the automotive electronic industry for more than 10 years. We independently developed electronic interior rear view mirrors with various practical functions, such as built-in dash camera with optional 1080p, 2K, and 4K. EC auto-dimming use for night driving temperature Compass.On-star Bluetooth, mirrorlink, and also new arrival full display series of rear view mirror provides a radically improved rear view in order to enhance driving safety. Comprehensive system designed to meet automaker, driver, safety, and regulatory requirements. The interior mirror is the most logical, intuitive, and cost-effective location to display information critical to the driving task. Over the years, we've integrated a wide variety of displays in the mirror, including VFDs, LCDs, LEDs, and active matrix video. Whether it's compass, temperature, rear park assist, around view monitor, ADAS alerts, or rear camera display, Germid can help you integrate it into the mirror. We have our own international invention patents, and our products are approved by Emark, R10, R46, FCC, CTIC. By focusing on professionalism, we have achieved excellent results in both the front and aftermarkets.